This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to use GoalSeek as a trial and error approach in Excel. GoalSeek is Excel's built-in what-if analysis tool that shows how one value in a formula impacts another. More precisely, it determines what value you should enter in an input cell to get the desired result in a formula cell. In fact, if you know the result that you want from a formula but are not sure what input value the formula needs to get the result, use the GoalSeek feature. On the Data tab in the Forecast group, click What If Analysis. On the drop-down menu, click GoalSeek. In the GoalSeek dialog box, define the cell's values to test. Set cell box is the reference to the cell containing the formula. For example, I choose average of chemistry as a set cells. The value box is the formula result you are trying to achieve that I write 17 in the box. By changing cell is the reference for the input cell that you want to adjust. By clicking OK, you can see the result. As you can see, Alexa's chemistry score should be 65 to access to the average of 17. In another example, I tried to find total average of 72 by changing Wilson's math score to a specific number. As it can be seen, Wilson's math score should be 107 to achieve 72 in total average. That it's not possible because we don't have a score more than 100.
Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.